Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw something super simple, and we're gonna draw the banana peel from Mario Kart. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this simple banana peel, and we're gonna start out with his eyes first. So we're just gonna draw into almost like egg shapes. So 1 and 2. Alright, and then once we have those shapes, we're gonna add in the highlight. So we just come up here and draw 2 circles inside, and I'm just gonna shade around it. So that should give us a nice highlight. Alright, so those are the eyes, and then let's continue on with his mouth. So it's really simple. Just right underneath the eye, we're just gonna draw a little happy face. And then on the corner, just add a little bit of a line there. Alright, and then now for the banana peel itself. So just come up, straight up. Okay, we can make a little point here, and then we're just gonna curve all the way down. Okay, and then from here, let's go back up here, and then on this side, we're gonna curve down as well. Okay, so we're coming down, and then from here, let's add in the little peel. So right in the middle here, you can make a little dot. So that it's gonna start out from here, but we just gonna continue with this one for now. Just gonna curve it out. And then now from this point here, we're gonna curve this one out. So just curve it out and then slowly kind of taper it in as you get toward the end. Alright, and then we'll just close it off. Just add a little bit of a circle there, a little oval. Alright, so let's draw on the other side, and this one's gonna go out, but it won't go out as much. Okay, so just hook it a little bit, and then we're gonna start out with this side. Again, back to the center here, and we're just gonna curve it. Just kind of follow that curve and just kind of taper it in at the end. And then again, we can add a little bit of an oval at the end. Alright, so once we have this, now we gotta put in the back side. So start up here again, and we just kind of draw it down. Just kind of follow this line here, this curve. And then once you get to down here, we want to taper it in. Just kind of meet it up to the edge. So just kind of nice and easy. Alright, and then we can finish off the top. So here's the little stem. So just on both sides, we're just gonna curve up and close it with a curve, and then we'll just add in the opposite curve. Okay, and then we're almost done. So just one more little peel here. So from here, just go out, and then we're just gonna come back in with a slightly bigger curve, rounder curve, and then we'll add in one little detail, just one little line here. And that is it for this super easy to draw banana peel from Mario Kart. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please check out my other videos, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.